So hello again and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying to make my hole for my box, where I will be simply using a pair of tin snips instead of a hole saw. So again, these are all techniques that you will learn on the job site, and it's simple stuff that you just need to know in order to achieve certain tasks when you don't have the proper material or proper tools on the job site. So again, I would like to thank you guys for tuning into the video, and I will catch you guys in between the video. So again, I was able to basically make my hole, um, you know, just old fashioned using a pair of tin snips. And I don't have my hole saw for it, so I simply don't want to go to the store. So So again, you guys can double tap to like up the live also. It costs you nothing to double tap to like up the live. It's pretty much free. So basically what I'm doing, because this box is metal, I'm simply filing down the edges that I basically removed. That way there's no sharp edges or anything like that. I'm going to make the edges as smooth as possible.